back to another Tuesday Tips at 2 with the Goldbergs. I'm Sara Goldberg. Today I'm going to talk to you about having unlawful status. Sometimes individuals will come here to the United States with a 10-year visa. It's called a tourist visa, B1, B2 visa. Many individuals think that when they have this visa, that means they're allowed to stay until the visa ends. Unfortunately, that is not correct. Basically, someone has a visa normally for 10 years that gives them the opportunity to leave and re-enter the U.S. during that 10-year time period, meaning they don't have to keep applying at the consulate for a visa. However, once an individual enters, they're given what's called lawful immigration status, and it's usually a stamp in their passport for 6 months. 6 months. So an individual who might have a 10-year visa, if they entered and were given 6 months, that's the only time they're allowed to remain in the United States. If that person overstays their lawful immigration status for more than the given time, then what happens is if they're inside the United States for more than 1 year without lawful status, and they leave the country, there is a 10-year bar of re-entry, meaning they cannot enter the United States for 10 years. Recently, I spoke with an individual who had been living in the United States for at least a year unlawfully, but had originally entered with a visa. Their thought was that they could leave and then re-enter without problem. However, at the border, at the airport, they were told that they could not re-enter. This can be a very shocking thing, especially for individuals who have created a life for themselves here in the United States. If you've been living unlawfully in the United States and have plans to leave, please speak to an attorney before departing to make sure that you've got all your bases covered. Until next time.